Okay, you guys are back. We're going to graph the following function: precision on the end behavior, x and y intercepts. So when I want precision on my x, it's also my zeros. So intercepts and end behavior. So degree 4. Fours are even, so I know I got to go in the same direction. But my leading coefficient right out in front of it's a positive. So I know over here on the right side it's going to go positive, and on the left side I know it's going to go positive. End behavior, done. So now I want to talk about my y-intercept, right? So I have a value here at the end. It's my intercept. We know that from studying our study of polynomials, it's positive 36. So I'm just going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36. And I'm going to go write the word 36 by it. So I know it has to go through that. So now I need to go get my zeros and my x-intercepts. So I have two factors right here. So setting myself up, x squared minus 9, so we set each factor equal to 0, and I have x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. Add 9 to both sides. X squared is equal to 9. Well, how do I get rid of a power? I need a root. I need a root of 2. So when I come over here, I get that. But here's the thing. When I square root, I got to remember I can have a plus or a minus 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. Negative 3 times a negative 3 is 9. So I add 4 to both sides. So I get x squared is equal to 4. I root again, but the same situation. I got to remember I have to deal with a plus and a minus 2. So my x values then are a 3, a negative 3, a 2, and a negative 2. So I come over here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I go through a positive 3 and a negative 3. I go through a positive 2 and a negative 2. So the end behavior here has to match up with my farthest 0. End behavior over there has to match up with my farthest 0. My y-intercept's right here, so it has to connect to that closest 0 on that side that way, and that closest 0 on that side. So these two have to connect coming down and around. So there's my graph. I've got precision on my x because I can count and go. My zeros are at 2 and 3, and negative 2 and negative 3, and my y-intercept's at 36.